Good evening, friends. Here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the oldest company in India and a part of Vadia Group. The company name is the Bombay Burma Trading Corporation Limited. This company is having a main business of you can say tea plantation, tea business, and you can also read that 2,822 hectares they are having in the area. This is a brief history. 18 the public participation, as the name suggested, the company earlier dealt with the trading of timber and Burma. Now it is in Myanmar. Okay, so this is a basically you can say a part of the Vadia group, as you can see on the screen. When you go back and you will see the company is having the coffee business, other business also having this like auto electrical component, dental product, horticulture activity, vegan product, and this is a lot of award company won, listed in the stock market, and it is a part of the Vadia group. Okay, let's see some fundamental analysis here. So as you can see, as we have discussed, they founded in 1863. Bombay Burma is a flagship company, Vadia Group, originated BBTCL, from the public company carried out teak business, William Wells, and was catering the domestic demand. Okay, so the key point like organic tea recognized globally, estate and plant location having different location in the Karnataka and Tanzania, also in outside the India, Uttarakhand. Okay, business segments like plantation, coffee, auto electrical component, investment, dairy product, food business. So there are a lot of businesses companies having. So if you talk about this company having two part, one is consolidated, one is standalone. So we will discuss all of them together. So we have already visited site. We have seen some key information from the screener now app. Now check the market cap. So right now market cap is 8,369. Current price is 1200. The high and low, you can say high price is 1510 and low price is 1018. Stock P is 32. It's also reasonable as per the market conditions. Book value 785. Dividend is 0.1, very good. Return on capital is 29. Return on equity 6.98. Face value 2. So right now the face value of the company is 2. Ultimate J score is also fine. Is basically above 3. That is also good sign. Number of credit is 6.98. Growth factor is 2. Prior to you can see it is a 7. Means it is a very good company. Solid check, you can say solid check means company is not diluting their equity. Reserve power, so reserve is double than their debt, and price power, so 0.68. Asset power, so basically you can the price power whenever you see okay more than 0.5 is also very good sign for the company. So you can see the last 5-year chart of the company. The company is right now consolidating since long time, consolidating. So now you can see now this particular time when the particular market is opening, coronavirus is gone, is going slowly. This company is going to give an ultimate result. It can cross 2000 maybe in coming 1 year, but please check with your advisor before making any decision. Okay, so there is no pros right now. Companies deliver poor sales growth, return on equity, dividend. This one usually for this particular very having different business. So this kind of company is not recognized by the different in particular rating agencies. So let's check quarterly result. You can see right now consolidated result here. So consolidated result you can see it's 14%, 15% margin right now. Sales also growing, so you can see percentage of sales growing here. Okay, every time it is a positive result. Every time whenever you see result, it is 11%, 6%, 9%. Every time positive. There is no negative since last few years. Okay, expenses also managed balanced. So margin you can see consistent 13, 14, 15 kind of range. Other income also improving, 90 crore, 61 crore, 85 crore. Interest, you can see interest also managed, balanced since last few years, 41, 32, 57 like that. Profit before tax also 472. Profit is also range of 70, 90 crore. EPS is also 12, 10, 8. So this is a very good and balanced company, you can see. So let's see the consolidated their overall turnover is expected. So you can see in 2010 the turnover of the company is 4,200. Now it is expected 13,000 crore. Awesome. Sales growth you can see 12%, sales growth 4%. Okay. Expenses you can see material cost also managed. Operating margin you can see it is 15%, 16% operating margin. Very good. Other income also improving every year. You can say 201, in 2008, 391, 440, 330, 360. Very good. Interest companies paying, which is marginal with respect to their income, overall operating income. No problem at all. So you can see compounding growth also companies showing right now negative, but you can expect it will increase in the coming years. Equity capital, the very plus sign is that company is not diluting their equity, never. Very solid company. So 3.96 is 3.96 since last multi-year. Okay, after that reserve, you can see reserve 783 was there in 2010, but in March 2021 the reserve is showing 4,562. Borrowing also 1438, but now borrowing is 2,653. Very good sign. Other liabilities also managed. Fixed asset, you can see the fixed asset also growing of the company. Investment, they have just improved their investment 4,998 to 4,632. So 3,232, 31, 3,221. Other asset, when you click here, you will see how many cash they have. 1,500. Oh my God, 1,528 cash. Market cap 8,000 crore. 1,544 crore cash in a hand. Awesome company, solid company. Okay, so this kind of company is a cash-rich company, can giving ultimate return to the investor. Net cash, you can see how company is generating their cash from operating service, from financing is negative right now. Debtor days improved. Okay, debtor days also improved. Inventory days also managed. Very good sign. Return on capital employed consistent since last 5 to 6 years. 30 range, 36, 28, 37, 32, 30. Very good sign. Promoter, you can see promoter is holding intact. Oh, okay. So you can say in 2018 promoter increased their stake, 65.91 to 65.93. Okay, and then till that time promoter is holding intact here. And you can see who are the promoter. Naroji Wadia and Sons 38%, Nulsi Wadia 10%, Bombay Dyeing 5%, Naprol Investment 6.13%, National Peroxide 3.131%. Very good sign, sir. Very good sign. FIA also in holding intact on the company. Now they are increasing their stake 7.26 to 7.51 to 7.68. Very good sign. DII also interested. You can see DII also increasing their stake 14 to 15, 1.41, 1.14 to 1.15. Very good sign, sir. Public is selling their stake. I don't know, but maybe they don't know about the quality of the company, what they are doing. So they are leaving this stock. Very bad sign for the public. But the company is solid. FII DI is holding intact, increasing their stake. Ultimate sign, sir. Ultimate sign. Now document, you can see very good. You can see all document information. You can see what kind of annual report you can visit of the company. Rating update, you can see rating update is also coming for the company from the care. Also very good sign, sir. Very good sign. Now you can also check at the same time there is another investment for standalone. Standalone you will not see a big impact. Standalone is tea business. Okay, so in the tea business you will see some negative return in the standalone, but don't be scared. Don't check this kind of because these are when the company is having multi-dimensional field, diversified information. This kind of company is having consolidated information. So please don't scare after checking the standalone. So you can see standalone is flat and having not a good return, operating margin also negative, but don't worry about it because tea business is not giving very high return. But I think this is ultimate and very good sign of the company, and you can hold this kind of company for long term. And this kind of company, you can say nobody is covering this kind of stock, but this is the best stock. You can check with your advisor before buying this kind of stock. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your time.